If you're self-employed and new to Xero, and you're wondering how to quickly create an invoice, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive straight into how you can easily create and manage invoices in Xero, even if you're just getting started with the software. First, if you're brand new to Xero, know that it's a powerful yet intuitive accounting tool designed for small business owners and the self-employed. You can use it completely free through the link in the description below with our exclusive bonuses. So stick around to get the most out of that offer. Let's get into the invoicing process. Start by logging into your Xero account. From the dashboard, you'll want to head to the Business tab at the top of the screen. Drop down to Invoices. This is where you'll manage everything related to billing. To create a new invoice, click the New Invoice button. Now, Xero will ask for a few key details. You'll start by selecting your contact from the list. If it's a new customer, you can quickly add their details as you go. This keeps your contacts organized in one place for easy future use. Next, you'll add your invoice date and due date. This is key for managing cash flow. You'll want to make sure the due date gives your client enough time to pay while keeping you within your business's terms. Xero makes this really easy by allowing you to set default payment terms for all clients, so you don't have to fill this out every time. Now, it's time to add your items or services. Xero lets you set up product or service items in advance, which is a huge time saver for the self-employed. For each item or service, you can set a description, quantity, price, and tax rate. If you're providing a service, you can simply enter the service name and the charge. Xero automatically calculates taxes based on your location, so it's super streamlined. Once you've got all your details in, you can either save the invoice as a draft or click Approve to send it off. If you approve it, Xero will immediately email the invoice to your client, so there's no waiting around. You can also view the status of your invoice at any time, whether it's been paid, overdue, or still in draft mode. One of the great features of Xero is the ability to add notes or attachments to your invoice. This is useful for adding payment instructions or any other details your client might need. You can even upload files like a signed contract or project reports, so everything stays in one place. Once your client pays, mark the invoice as paid in Xero, and the software will update your accounts automatically. If the payment is overdue, Xero gives you handy reminders, helping you stay on top of outstanding invoices without much effort. By using Xero for invoicing, you not only save time, but also reduce errors and keep your business finances organized. The software integrates seamlessly with your bank account, so you can reconcile payments easily and ensure everything balances at the end of the month. And just before we wrap up, remember, Xero offers an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. So make sure you take advantage of that before it expires. So, to recap, you can now quickly create invoices, track payments, and keep your business running smoothly. If you're looking to take the stress out of accounting, Xero is a great tool to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and bonuses.